Hey, so one of the limitations of Cha-Ching Automate has always been kind of if you've uploaded stuff to your channel previously, manually, before you even got Cha-Ching Automate, how to make sure you don't duplicate videos. And I had a system by which you can go through and manually check all the various ones that you've already uploaded manually. And of course that could work, but if you have thousands of videos up there already, it takes a long time to go through and mark every single one manually. So I finally implemented a way that I can take your Amazon videos and your YouTube videos and try to pair them up together. Now it's not perfect, but I think it is getting there. So the way it works is through the links, either your Amazon links or your deep links. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the selective upload window right here. And then after that comes up, you're going to click this button at the bottom. It says match YouTube. And what you could do if you wanted to is maybe select a page of them. It's going to go a lot faster if you just select the ones that you know that you need to match. But if you don't, it's just going to go through the whole storefront. And first it scans it. I didn't show that part because it was on a different window here, but after it scans through the videos that you have, it'll have this window right here. And since I've already matched up most of mine, it doesn't show anything, but it'll show all the list of matches based on the ASINs if you just have Amazon ASINs at first. But then also if you're using Genius Link or PostTap, you can click one of these buttons. So Genius Link doesn't have a simple way that they can give you a CSV unless you request it. That would take a little bit of time. But PostTap, actually, if you look into your dashboard for PostTap, they can give you a CSV that actually matches up all of your product ASINs or your links, basically your affiliate links, with their links. So we can give that list, that CSV, to our software here, and it'll then basically just matches up your storefront videos, your ASINs from your storefront, and your deep links. So make it pair them up via that, and then by having that list, it can just go through your YouTube storefront or your YouTube channel and find anytime that you use your deep link and match that up with your video. So I'm going to show you real quick how this process kind of works. So crawling Genius Link is a little bit different because it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't give you a CSV, but what it can do is it'll actually open up this little window right here. Let me see if I can drag this over as well. Well, maybe I can't do that. Anyway, it opens up a little window that says crawling Genius Link, and then I can open up this window once that's open. All right, so it's opening this, waiting for the link table, and now it's going through Genius Link by going through all of your links and just finding the ASIN, the link that's associated with each of these Genius links. And then once it maps all those out, and we can actually stop the process, and it would basically then tell you how many links that it found from Genius Link, how many it scored, and found matches for your ASINs there, and would load that right here. So sorry I can't show you exactly what it looks like because I've already done it for all of my videos. But then after that's done, it's going to give you a list of all the videos that it's found matches for, and you would click apply, and then, well, just nothing selected for me because I've already done it, but then it would show you, and all these green check marks would be checked for you automatically for your YouTube videos, especially saying where they've been uploaded to right here on your YouTube channels, whether you're primary or your secondary channels. I hope that makes sense. Like I said, I wish I could show you a live demo of it. Maybe I'll go back at some point and unlink a few so that I can link them back up. But one more thing about that, and that's that every once in a while you'll probably need to refresh your YouTube channel. In fact, you might have to do that the first time around too. So when you click refresh YouTube, what is that actually going to do is go through each of the YouTube channels that you have linked from Cha-Ching Automate, and just download both the descriptions, or the titles, descriptions, and be able so they can find those deep links in those descriptions and be able to link those up with the deep links that you have. I hope that makes sense. Like I said, it's hopefully it's going to be useful for a lot of people, just because it's so difficult and time consuming to match up all these things manually, right? But if you can do it automatically, it's not 100% perfect all the time, but it's going to find most of those matches, and so that you don't have duplicate content going up on your channel. And it's all based on the ASIN in the deep link that you already have in your channel. So if you're using a different deep link service other than PostTap, Genius Links, or the standard links, it's obviously not going to be able to match those up because there's no way to match them just yet. Maybe let me know if you're using other deep linking services. Maybe I can try to figure out how to do that as well for those. But right now we've been focusing on just those two deep linking services and the standard affiliate link. So let me know if that works for you. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. But Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.